Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to enable the currency exchange rate integration feature in NetSuite. Please subscribe to this channel and let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to enable the currency exchange rate integration feature. So to do that we will go to Setup, Company, Enable Features. On the Company subtab, so that's the one I'm on, you check for currency exchange rate integration box. Currency exchange rate integration box. So it's this one, which for me is already ticked in. So you need to make sure that this is ticked in, and obviously you need the multiple currencies feature activated. Read and accept the notice when it asks you, and just click save on the page. That's here, the save button. Then you need to select a rate provider. So for that we will go again to setup, but this time accounting, and then we will look for preferences. I think it's the accounting preferences here. So on the general subtab, so it's this one, you need to scroll to the exchange rate integration section. And then here for that you can see the rate provider that you can choose. So here I have Signet and HSBC. You select a rate provider. You can, if you desire, use the triangulation calculation by NetSuite box. You can have more information by clicking on it if you're interested. And then you click save on the page as usual. To manage the automatic updates for base currencies, I'll tell you in 10 seconds if you please like this video. So for any base currency for which you do not want rates automatically updated, go to the currency record from List, Accounting, Currencies, for example Canadian dollar, and then you untick the automatic update. Important, the currency records where the automatic update box is dimmed cannot be set for automatic updates. Non-standard ISO-based currency records must have a specified time zone, and the automatic update box checked to be automatically updated. Non-standard ISO codes significantly slow down the exchange rate update process, so please keep that in mind. For any base currency for which you want rates updated at the time other than the default, you go back to the list of currencies. So you see the base one is the USD, and you can see there's an update time zone set here. So I will click on the US one, and then here you see the update time zone. So you can choose one in the list. Change as usual. Very important consideration, rates may be affected by the time intervals when they are captured and then uploaded to NetSuite. Real-time exchange rates are never exact inverses because market rates for currency are directional. If you want the exchange rate inverse to be 1 divided the direct rate, you can manually overwrite the rate. So that's it for the exchange rates update. Don't forget to visit Kolleno.com for more information and tools to enhance your accounting processes. Thank you for watching.